Hello guys, here I have a Whirlpool kitchen hood AKR 62F LTK, and today I will tell you about the possible malfunctions in this device. So, if the hood is not working, check the power has not been disconnected, as speed has been selected. If the hood performs inefficiently, check that the motor speed selected is sufficient for amount of smoke and vapors released. The kitchen is sufficiently ventilated to allow air intake. If the hood has turned off during normal functioning, check that the power has not been disconnected, the omnipolar disconnection device has not tripped. If the hood fails to operate correctly, briefly disconnect it from the mains power supply for 5 seconds, then connect it again, and try once more before contacting the technical assistance service. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.